I mean, my own experience is that anybody, the vast majority of people who have no work are desperately anxious to find a job. That's my own experience. It's what I find in my clinics. It's what I find in my own constituency. Will there be, an irreducible number of who will always be unemployed? Probably. There's no country I've looked at in the world where that isn't the case.
Do you agree with this statement?
No, I'm saying that the vast majority of people who are unemployed want work. And that's why we have changed the whole way that they're dealt with. We've changed the Department of Social Welfare from being a place where you go in and lean on a hatch and get your money, to being a department constructed of what we call intro offices. So that you go in, you sit down across a table, not across a hatch, to people who are interested in getting you back into work. What are your skills? What are your interests? What additional skills and training do you need to ensure that you can get back to work? And let's find that job for you. And that has transformed things. 95,000 more people are back in work.